Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make hard shake on Capcut. So, want this? Before video starting, don't remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Also, you can join to my Telegram channel because I put important things there. Open Capcut and add your clips. Ready your clips for head shake, for example, Twixter for your clips, and add song and specify your beats like me. Now we want to add shakes, so go to effects, and add shake. Paste my setting. Copy one time. Go to effects and search oblique blur. Go to setting and follow my steps. Copy to time.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise.
Go to effects again and add rebound swing.
What I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.
Go to setting and do what I do.
Are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down.
Now copy all of effects for next parts.
I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me
Now we
what you
should
got,
add transition for our clips, but if you just want to learn how to make shakes, so you can skip this part.
willing to go bleed. I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought
Make
just
two
the way
keyframes in first and end. Go to end keyframe and zoom a little.
they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Go to graph and add this.
They hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I think these fucking cowards. On top, they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Go to animation and add rock vertical. Do it for all. Now go to overlay and add a white screen. Go to blend, overlay. Go to animation and add fade out. Now copy it for all. This is finally guys, hope you liked this video and don't remember to subscribe and like for more videos.